Hello guys, good morning. Still not in a good mood. This is poha made with love. So after this, I have to go probably. Let's see what's the plan. Black coffee time. From tomorrow, I'll stop coffee. I need it. Good morning, guys. A person has come to see the place on top. He's come to finalize it. See what's gonna happen. I'm gonna talk to him now. Post that, I have to go get the tempered glass done. That's about it. Nothing much today. Hello guys, look at this guy. He's back on my trail. Hello Shwitu. Person came and we fixed the rent, so probably it is done. 100% it's done, so that's good news. Thank God. But yeah, nice person. So let's see how that works out. See. This is the thing he does. You know, watch the fun. And look at this guy. Hey. Pagal Billy. Billy. Zoomy time. Hello guys. So yeah, I forgot to tell you. The thing is done. Rental thing is done for the top. Once it starts, I'll give you all the details. So it's given for rent finally. Thank you, God. Thanks for everybody's wishes. And it's something good that happened today. And going to this movie called Bad News by Mr. Vicky Kaushal and I think Tripti Dimri and all. We should watch that. So trying to go to Vega City, I think Gold Class. So yeah, movie time, 3:45 is the show. So before that, need to get ready, eat, and go to come to take some bills, print some bills. So, yeah. Came to the supermarket. I'm searching for curd. Milky Mist curd. Okay. These are big packs are the best, I feel. Yeah. One pack does everything. Finally got this. Heading back home now. Yeah, I get it from Sana Supermarket. It's very close to my house. I just came inside the street now. Heading home now to do this thing. This lunch should be ready. Time is around almost 1:30, 2 o'clock, I guess. Can't see the time now. The phone in my hand. So, yeah. Hello guys, going to Sana here only. Get few things and get the tempered glass done. Get ready by 3:30. Might rain later, so might take Lord Alto and go. I thought I'll take my XUV and go, but parking has to be done. So I mean, in the parking, washing is there, but I have not tried that. Probably will take Alto and go. XUV needs a wash, man. Need to give it somewhere nearby. What is? I think avrekai, but different type. I don't know what's it called in Hindi. This is mixed dal, chokawa, and this is roti. Lord Alto out. Heading to Vega City. Hello guys. 3:20. I have to reach by 3:45. It's Vega City itself. There's no fuel in the Alto, and it's raining as well. Can't take the two-wheeler. I don't want to take the XUV. Going to watch, like I told you, Bad News by Vicky Kaushal and Tripti Dimri. So I think it's going to be a comedy movie. So I'll show you how it is. Hopefully I reach on time. Fingers crossed. Petrol. Reached on time to the petrol bunk. Filling fuel. Just for 500 is enough now. As you can see that. Yes. After a week, I'm seeing. I think. Wow. Bengaluru finally got some sun. Every time, when you need to reach a place, there is, road blockage everywhere, pipe work everywhere, tug roads everywhere. Thanks to Lord Alto, you can get out anywhere, get in anywhere. And after Abad, Brookside, any road is child's play. Be it in a city, be it anywhere. Yeah. Now, thank God, there are no school buses, which are a pain always. And yeah, I couldn't go since morning to search for Aura. I've sent my guy who went and gave it there. He said, give me 2 days time, he will find it. So, fingers crossed. Still not talking to mom. Anyways, wish me, just pray guys. Hopefully I get it. Thanks for all the support. I wish Aura comes back. Seriously, it's a high chances that she might not, because she's pregnant. She'll always find a safe place to go. So heart is broken. Like, I'm disappointed, devastated. That's the least to say. Anyways. Your prayers will work. Just pray for it, guys. Thank you so much. Time is 3:45. 4 minutes left, but still made it on time to Vega City. That's where I parked. F4 P2. Right. Heading to the lift. Don't want to take the escalator. Just came now. This is the entrance to Gold Class, and this is how it is. Made it on time. It's still not started. I think this is the Audi 12. This is a very cute little washroom, and so I'm dressed today. Yellow Crocs. I just made it in time. Not much traffic. The roads are dug up. Drink Audi. Got the Audi Costa Coffee.
Bloody spy. Super fecundation.
So just in the interval now, movie was lame. Just have to sit and watch. Done with the movie. Not one time watch. I felt it was boring. Apparently Good News is much better. So it was okay, time pass. Not worth coming to theatre and watching. Rather wait for it on OTT. Now we'll go, probably eat something and go. Time is around 6:30, 6:40. So grab something from the food court and go. So at dinner I can have after around 8 o'clock, 8:30. Yeah, this is Gold Class for you. Came to Taco Bell. So hungry. Came to eat some tacos and quesadilla. I'm still disappointed, heartbroken. That's why I don't feel like smiling as well. Still not found her. Obviously, I don't think I'll be able to find her. Thanks to my mom's great, pathetic thinking. Really ridiculous. This is hurt me beyond words. Stress level is gone to all the heights possible. These people are like, least bothered. So confused. A lot of things to eat. Just came to Taco Bell. Been eating here after ages. It's been a while. Didn't know what to eat. So selected quesadillas. It's a safe bet. This is quesadilla. This is wheat taco wedge. Done with the food. Heading home now. Look at Hamleys. Going towards the lift. Baby crying. Heading home. So done with the movie. Ate little. थोड़ा पेट पूजा कर दिया. अभी जा रहे हैं घर. Where is the car? Lord Alto. हाँ मिल गया. This game is fun to play, you know. Heading home without headlights. Gonna be fun, another adventure. Banarghata Road. Massive jam as always. Nothing new. Thank God ambulance was stuck. He went ahead. Good. People have got some sense now. Thank God. And I have to go through the main road because that side the road is blocked. So a little bit of traffic here and there. And I don't have headlight. Wow. Started Simba's bike. I'm not able to repair his bike now, so he is using my bike. So just started it, keeping it on for 10 minutes. Then we'll go. Otherwise, the battery will go down. Sitting here, not
ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಬಾ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಓ ಕೂತ್ಕೋ
See where he's sitting, not letting me work. Look at this guy seeing what is coming from the printer. Excited. What is it coming out? What is coming out? One stress buster in my life. I love this guy, sweetheart. Find your mom, dude. Waiting for her. Just wants to cuddle with me. I miss him from so many days. Love this guy. Miss his mom also a lot. Or I miss you. How can my mom be so heartless? I don't understand. This is my number one stress buster and you give his mother away. So bad. Very bad. Feel very bad, disappointed, disgusted. I hope she's fine wherever she is. My bello? Making him sleep, giving him lullabies. Bona babu, bukulu magalobel, shona babu, mona babu, mona gobu, bukulu magalobel, shona babu, mona babu. My lullabies works always. He slept off right next to me. Slept off, baby. Hello guys, done with the movie. Went back, played with Bill, made him sleep, sang my lullabies to him, came to park the two-wheeler and heading back home. So did this much only. Felt very good today, making my baby sleep. Bill is my sweetheart. His mother only, her mom gave away. Very heartbroken. Only little bit of stress relief can be given is by Bell, nobody else. Anyways, that's it. Put him to sleep. He's sleeping now happily. Just came back. So yeah, we'll do eat, have dinner and sleep. Guys, this is egg rice. Oh, it is too good. Made by a special one with special touch to it. Amazing.